Buying something on OfferUp in 2024 is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't have the app installed, download the OfferUp app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account. If you already have an account, log in. Use the search bar or browse through categories to find the item you want to buy. Tap on the item you are interested in to view its details. This will include the seller's description, price, and photos. If you have any questions or need more information, you can use the messaging feature within the app to contact the seller. Discuss details with the seller, such as the price, meeting location, or shipping options. OfferUp transactions often involve in-person meetings for local sales. If both parties agree on the terms, you can proceed with the purchase. OfferUp may have an integrated payment system or allow for in-person cash transactions. Depending on the agreement, you will need to arrange for the pickup of the item or discuss shipping details with the seller. Once you've received the item and are satisfied with the transaction, you can complete it within the OfferUp app.